fact, Hyderabad is anyways going to be a game changer in the global platform, and we are confident that Hyderabad is going to leave its mark. Maybe I think from both perspectives. That is, from a financial perspective, as you rightly said, there are financial institutions who are aggressively supporting the buyer market. Likewise, even the infrastructure companies like you and all the contributors in the market are aggressively coming out with a lot of options which suits everybody's budget. I mean, be it a affordable two-bedroom buyer to a luxury villa buyer or a farmhouses. I think, as Bala sir also rightly mentioned, we have the choice available. I mean, I could also see a lot of people who are looking at picking up commercial spaces now. I mean, a lot of new initiatives like crowdfundings have started happening, and a lot of investments are also flowing into real estate market, which is really healthy for the economy, I personally feel.
And the unique advantage for Hyderabad is most of the people who have migrated from Hyderabad are very well settled in USA. So if you see people from mostly different regions, they are concentrated and well established in different countries. Likewise, if you take Hyderabad and Andhra and Telangana, the people from this region are mostly they are in Canada, USA, and UK. So all the NRI investments, FDI investments are also coming. People they want to buy own a home back here. So even that funding is there. So it's good for these markets.
In fact, taking the cues what you have mentioned, in fact, last 2 months we have been thinking what we can give to the industry, be it like real estate or be it like the event fraternity, who've been like seeing maybe from not from an industry point of view, but people who are associated with the industries, that there was a lot of disturbance or there was a pause. I would definitely say that whatever the glory times we had till 2019, 2020 has changed the entire story. So we were thinking, what is it something unique that can be offered to the industry? That's when the baby of Mahati took shape, and we thought maybe exhibitions have been one of the strongest trends of every real estate company to just promote themselves to reach to the buyer markets quickly. In fact, we thought maybe I think again another platform which can bridge builders and it can also bridge suppliers. Now, if we add technology to it, why not we expand our reach? Maybe rather than depending on maybe geographical limitations, maybe let's reach out to global. I think that is something where we have added, and the baby of Mahati taken shape, and Realty Connects is our first hybrid exhibition, which is going to happen first time in the world, which has never seen. Yes, sir.
To suggest one thing to you, because you have started these expos as an experiment. It's never happened in India so far. Maybe you should start real estate auctions. That way it will help the developers as well as the brokers community.
Interesting point, sir.
Yes.
Definitely, we would love to work on it because we believe in something where
So
we should
you-
bring a value to the forum, and
In
maybe
the expo, if you're planning in February, you could set up a small 1 hour or 2 hours of auction of a particular project or particular real estate
Inventory.
inventory. You can start the trend.
Valuable point, sir. I'm sure we will definitely look into it. Thank you so much for wonderful suggestions.